If you're a new blogger on WordPress and you just started your website, finding great free plugins can be difficult. Ryan and I have created over 100 WordPress sites, so we know about all of the best free plugins for WordPress. In this video, we're going to go over our 7 favorite free WordPress plugins. Now, first on the list is Yoast SEO or RankMath. Both are great SEO plugins and they let you overwrite your page's meta descriptions and meta titles. This is a really important part to ranking on Google and actually getting your pages to rank higher on Google. Overall, we recommend both plugins. Personally, I use Yoast SEO. They have a lot of upsells and things like that, but I really recommend ignoring those. The free plugin is perfect for most people, so definitely check out Yoast SEO.
The free version of Yoast is great. It's going to allow you to also, in addition to SEO titles and meta descriptions, to optimize your article. It scans the content that you put into a new post and it'll show you how many times you've mentioned a particular focus keyword phrase. So these are the kinds of little things that do make a big difference when you're trying to rank well in organic search results. Number 2 on the list is Google's Sitekit plugin. This is great if you use Google Analytics or Google Search Console to learn more about who your readers are and how people are discovering your blog. Sitekit is a great plugin because it allows you to connect Analytics and Search Console directly into your WordPress site so that you can see insights about who your readers are, which pages are getting the most traffic, and where they're coming from right inside your WordPress dashboard.
And best of all, it walks you through step by step how to set it up, and I think that's the most important part of this plugin. Number 3 on the list is security related. Now, most WordPress hosting companies will automatically handle security for you. We recommend finding a company that handles a lot of those things. Now, the plugin we recommend to add a little more security is called Limit Login Attempts Reloaded. Now, there is a paid version of this, but the free version is perfect. Basically, what this plugin does is if someone tries to log into your WordPress site with the wrong password multiple times, it temporarily bans them. Now, this is great for helping performance and blocking out generally bad actors trying to get into your site.
I like this plugin for my blog too because I get a lot of readers on my blog and a lot of people would find value in hacking into my site. And so for me, this is a great way to prevent bad actors from attempting to access my site. The next free plugin I recommend is called Antispam Bee. It allows you to block and limit spam comments on your blog. So if you accept comments on your blog, chances are pretty quickly you're going to notice that you're going to get some spam comments. There's a lot of bots out there that surf the internet and think there's going to be value to leaving a kind of BSE comment on your blog and getting a backlink as a result of leaving that comment. So a plugin like Antispam Bee is going to help really limit how many of those spammy comments actually make it through and get published.
And my favorite part about the plugin is that basically right after activating it is all you need to do. So whenever I start a new site, I just add the plugin when I know I'm going to have discussions on the site, and all of the configuration is basically good to go out of the box. Number 5 on the list is Simple History. Now, this plugin is essential in my opinion if you have multiple authors on your blog. So if you and an editor are working on the site and you want to see what the other person did in a simple activity log style view, Simple History is a great way to do this. Now, of course, WordPress attributes all of the posts and pages to specific authors, but this plugin gives you a great opportunity to see an overview of all the activity from all of your authors on your site.
I like this plugin because on my blog, I do have a lot of authors. I have a lot of people who contribute content to my site, and I like to know when people are logging in and seeing what kind of activity is going on, just to make sure nothing suspicious is happening. Number 6 on the list for me is Yoast Duplicate Post. I love this plugin because for me, when I first started my blog, designing pages or posts was kind of a hassle. It took me a lot of time to figure out how to make a post or a page look really pretty. And now with this plugin, you can, in essentially one click, duplicate the look and the feel of an existing post or page on your site and be able to start fresh with that content already in the visual layout that you want it to have.
Now, last and number 7 on our list is not really a plugin, it's more of a service. It's called Cloudflare. I highly recommend using Cloudflare as your name server for your website. Now, it's a bit complicated at first to get set up, but it's easier than it looks. You basically give Cloudflare your domain name and then you point your name server to Cloudflare. Now, I know that sounds complex, but they walk you through all of it, and where you got your domain name, they can actually help you set this up correctly. Now, the benefit of using Cloudflare is once you have it set up, all of your images, assets, things like that will load super fast. Cloudflare is a free CDN, so it actually serves all of your images for you and ends up making your website a lot faster. Now, it is all for free. The free plan is all you need. And additionally, they add extra security and things like that on top of your site. So I highly recommend using Cloudflare. Additionally, I also recommend registering your domains there. They actually let you register your domains there, and that makes it really, really simple to manage everything in one interface.
And finally, as an added bonus for Cloudflare, they actually have the cheapest place to register domain names because they don't mark them up at all. Most domain names are around $9.95 to register, so that's going to be one of the best places to do it. And they also have a very easy to understand process for grabbing domain names. All right, so these have been our favorite free WordPress plugins for your blog, especially if you're just getting started today. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, check out this one right here. Be sure to like and subscribe.